welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel out here where you get all the latest information for your favorite gadgets. And today we are going to talk about Lenovo's IdeaPad 710 Plus. Yes, बात करें पेरेंट if we talk about 710 Plus model out here, then we can say that this is quite a different version because we have seen it as popularly as a different name, and it offers you a variety out there. Yes, this series has got a variety of versions out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that this is a quite good version out here, offering you a great storage, great connectivity, great possibilities out there. So let us talk about from the beginning of this variant about the weight. If we talk about this variant, if we talk about the weight of this version, then it is approximately 1.2 kg weighted phone. So this is very light weighted, not a heavy weighted. Since it's light weighted and dimensions are also quite thin, so we can say it's a very thin version out there, very thin out there. Overall, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you a great range of you can say operating systems out there, memory out there, connectivity, everything is quite good. Talking about the operating system inbuilt in it, it uses Windows 10 out here. Yes, it uses Windows 10 out here, offering you 64 bytes out there. The operating system type is 64 bytes out there. Windows 10 is really a good version, a new technology used out, and it's really good. Talking about this variant, we can see that it has got a good screen size of about 33.78 centimeters. Yes, if we talk in the diagonal way, if we talk in inches, then the sizes might vary. But it approximately is about 13 to 13.3 inches out there. So this might vary out there, but yes, 13 to 13.3 inches is there. Talking about this variant, we can see the resolution also differs. Resolution is not normal out here. Resolution is definitely differing out, offering you 920 into 1080 native pixelation resolution out here, whereas it offers you 166 ppi resolution. PPI density resolution out here. So overall, if we talk, then there's an advancement in the resolution capacity also. Talking about this variant, talking about Lenovo IdeaPad 710 Plus out there, we can say it offers you a full HD LED backlit anti-glance display with IPS technology inbuilt in it. So this is a more advanced version. Yes, this is a more advanced version, we can say, because we have seen HD LED backlift anti-glance display, but full HD LED backlift as well as anti-glance. Along with that, the plus point of this variant is that it has IPS technology inbuilt in it. So this is also an advanced thing out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that the touch screen is not yet possible. Yes, touch is not yet possible out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you an Intel Core processor of i7, offering you a good processing system. Yes, the processing system is quite good out here. As well as when we talk about this Intel processing system out here, then we cannot neglect out the speed of this version. Then it has got 2.2 gigahertz clock speed out here, which is very good. Yes, definitely we have seen more better clock speeds out in this version, but yes, 2.2 gigahertz is not a bad version. It's a good version, we can say. Apart from that, if we talk about the graphical processing in it, then the graphical processing is definitely good. Intel Iris Graphics 540 is being used in this. Yes, Intel's Iris Graphics 540 is being used, so which is very good out here. Apart from that, if we talk about the memory, then RAM quality is to be considered really, which is very good. 8 GB RAM is being allotted in this, as well as you get to see that it has got a different RAM type, that is LPDDR3. Yes, we have seen DDR3 out there, DDR we have seen already DDR3 RAM type, but having LPDDR3 RAM is quite a different version. Along with that, RAM speed is also different, which is quite okay. We can say not very good, not very bad. Okay version we can say. 1866 megahertz is the speed, is the RAM speed out here, which is very good, not bad. As well as you get to have a single slotted out there, which is offering you 8 GB RAM out there. So there is no double slotted out there. So expandability is not much out there. Whereas when we talk about the internal capacities, then we can say that the internally it has got a good storage capacity. Yes, internal storage capacity is quite good. The internal storage capacity might vary from variant to variant. Starting from 256 to 512, there are different variants out there. You might find different variants. So definitely there is a difference in the storage capacities. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you 4 cell and still the weight is very less. Yes, the weight is quite less, offering you 4 cell battery, which is lithium battery out here. Along with that, you get to see 65 volt charging is not seen in this. You get to see 45 volt charging. Yes, earlier we had seen 65 volts charging, but now you get to see 45 volts charging also. If we talk about this battery, then we can say that it gives you a working hour of 8 to 9 hours work timing. Yes, the work time is 8 to 9 hours. Apart from that, we can say that this offers you a good Wi-Fi connectivity along with 4.0 Bluetooth connectivity and USB slotations. You get to have SD card slotation. You get to have jack system, that is for input and output of audio, microphone jack out there. So there are jack system for these things. For power button also, power jack is there out. Apart from that, if we talk about the webcam built in it, then the webcam is about 1 megapixel, offering you 720p pixeled HD video recording, we can say. So the video recording is quite good. Secondary camera is still not possible. Yes, you will not find any secondary camera in laptops. In PCs, you usually find webcam only. Audio, if we talk about the audio, then it has got a Dolby audio version out there. Yes, this is a different one of a version, so you definitely get to see a variety in this. Speakers की बात करें, if we talk about the speakers, then it has got JBL stereo type speakers out there. They are really good. They are quite good out here. As well as when we talk about the microphone, it has got an inbuilt digital microphone out here, offering you great connectivity. Fingerprint sensations are not there, so you will not find any fingerprint or touchscreen out there. But yes, keyboard is there with a multi-touch mouse control out here. You will not find any direct touch control, but yes, mouse control is there. Apart from that, you get to have a very good resolution. You get to have very good weighting. Everything is quite good in this variant. So let us talk about the pricing also, because pricing also plays a very important role for every gadget. Pricing की बात करें, if we talk about the pricing, then this is a site just at click.com which offers you great pricing for your gadgets, for your favorite devices, and this search icon helps you to search your favorite devices out here in a very reasonable and a very effective manner. Like I have been searching this variant. So this is the result of Lenovo iPad 7 10 Plus, offering you a small specification point out here where you get to see specifications out there. If we talk about the specifications, you get to see a great range of specification written over there. Apart from that, you get to see there is a condition written that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also. Talking about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Yes, when we say refurbished, the word itself means that it is something brand new. Like yes, it clearly states that it means something brand new. Like whereas brand new is always a brand new that is absolutely new out here, which is probably very first time released out. So we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Whereas when we talk about the functionality, if we talk about structurality, whether they are similar or not, yes, they are also similar. They are actually same, we can say. They are actually same out here. But definitely there is a difference out here. Brand new products are actually untouched, or we again say for the very first time released out in the market. Whereas refurbished, if we talk about the word refurbished, then they are actually pre-owned gadgets or any pre-owned device or anything which has been pre-owned. Refurbished means that which is once pre-owned. Every brand new product, uh, we cannot say that brand new products are always refurbished, because sometimes it happens that they are not in the market out after a long period of time. But yes, Every refurbished product was once a brand new. Yes, every refurbished product was once a brand new one. As well as when we talk about refurbished and brand new, their pathway is also quite same, and we can say that refurbished is an extension of brand new. How we say that? We know every pathway is followed by a systematic way, that is base, mediator, and consumer. We know that. But in brand new, if we talk about brand new products, then we can say that the brand new products are like base is the company. Yes, when we talk about the base, it is the company out here. Whereas mediator is the marketplace or the place from where company and the user interact out. So that is the marketplace or the mediator or the bridge, we can say. Apart from that, if we talk about the consumers, then you can say that consumers are nothing else but the users. Yes, we the users are the consumers out here. So this is what brand new is all about. Now the user have a gadget and it is being owned by that person. Now that person is tired or want to resell it, then the gadget, that pre-owned gadget actually is resold in the marketplace and it becomes refurbished. So here the base is the user who has the gadget inbuilt in it, the gadget in hand out there. So that is the user out here. Now reselling is it also take place in the marketplace also. Yes, it is taking place in the marketplace. It can be online sites, offline sites out there. Everything could be said out. Now once the gadget is in the marketplace and now the new user takes it out, then it is known as a refurbished gadget. Now what are the similarities? Now, what are the similarities out there? Matlab, when we talk about refurbished gadgets and brand new products, what are the similarities out there? The similarities lies in the structurality and the functionality purpose. Now, structurality, if we talk about structure, then we can say the design is actually same. Yes, the design is quite same out here. Whereas if we talk about the functions, then we can say that the functionality is also same. The work it used to do when it was released out, it does the same work out there. So this is what actually happens out. Now let us talk about the, we can say, tests out there or the structural functionalities out there. Then we can say that there are few parameters. Yes, there are parameters which defines the test or the gadgets testimoniality. Now these gadgets testimoniality are determined by the same test which were determining the brand new products. When we talk brand new products, then we can say that the brand new products and the refurbished product have the same test, whether it includes the external or the internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say the external parameters are like the design it has, the screen size, the display it uses, scratches out there, buttons out there, points or the ports out there which have been inbuilt in it. They, as well as all the other specifications which externally we can see whether the mouse control is working properly or not, multi-touch if it is having, then how is it working, the control panels are working properly or not out there, the external functional keys are working or not. So this is what external features includes out. Now once it has been checked, external functionality is checked, external design is checked out, everything is done, we come to the next procedure, next parameter, that is the internal parameters. Now these internal parameters are nothing else but the internal components which have to be tested, like you talk about the Intel processor or any kind of processor which is being inbuilt in it. Yes, it is not necessary that always every gadget will be having Intel processor only. So every processor which has been inbuilt in it, the operating system, if it uses any kind of operating system, then what kind of operating system it is using, is it working properly or not. Then after that, it comes out to be the another factor, that is the internal RAM, internal storage capacity, internal parts like connectivity is there or not, microphone is working or not out there. External ports we have talked about, so whether these ports are giving proper output or not, like if you have a jack system, so whether the jack input and output is good or not, like audio input and output is good or not, camera quality is good or not, that has to also be checked out there. Whether the camera is working or not, that is the first main thing when it comes to camera. So internally every component has to be checked, which we check in battery life, how long it is working out and how long it need to be charged, the battery is working properly or not, everything has to be checked. So this is all about the internal and external parameters which need to be checked out. And once we check these parameters, then we can say, and they have crossed all the parameters, it is assured that the product quality is good, as well as it is ready to have a good service out there. So overall, we can say there is a quality check out here. That product has been refurbished, that product is renewed. Why renewed? If any part is not working properly, then it has to be replaced with the original parts, not any duplicate or the unknown parts. It has to be checked out and see the original part has to be replacing that particular origin part out there. As well as these internal parameters are not just checked out through normal testing, there are specialized equipments to check them, so you can be assured when it comes to testimoniality. Now, apart from that, if we talk about these products, then we can say there are actually premium quality goods out there inbuilt in it. So these are the same parameters which check out the brand new products. So refurbished and brand new have the same design, same functionality, same test. So overall, we can say they are quite similar, except the fact that brand new gadgets are actually first release out there, whereas refurbished are pre-owned gadgets. Now, talking about the benefits of these products, so let us talk about the benefits of having a refurbished product. So when we talk about benefits, the first point comes out to be the pocketable rates. Yes, the first point comes out to be the pocketable rate. Now, when we talk about pocketable rates, what does this pocketable rate mean? It means that the refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets have come up with a rating which are not going to cost your pocket at all. Yes, the rates are going to be very cost effective. They are very effective out there. Whereas when we talk about the brand new products, they are slightly expensive. Yes, first time release are always expensive also. So you find that these are slightly expensive. But when we talk about the comparison, then yes, refurbished products are quite profitable. So you get to save also. That's this point two, another benefit, that you get to save a good amount of savings. Now we can save a good amount of savings which we can use for next product out there. So this is the main reason why we say that refurbished products are really good. We already know that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty out there. But when we take any or we own any pre-owned gadget, mostly we don't get any warranty period out here. But if you have a category out there refurbished, then you get to have a savings of 6 months. Yes, you can have a warranty period of 6 months also. Apart from that, you also get to have 70 exchange policy. So these are the two additional benefits of this site also, as well as this product. When we talk about refurbished gadgets, refurbished category out here, then you get to have 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy also. So these are the benefits of having refurbished products over brand new. So let us talk about the website once again, so that we do not miss out anything. So this is the website we were talking about, and the website name was justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com, where you get to have your favorite laptops, PCs, your favorite gadgets at a very reasonable rates out there. As well as it offers you COD. Yes, it offers you COD, as well as this site offers you some amazing things that are like free home delivery. Yes, you get to have free home delivery, money back guarantee, as well as a support system. Yes, you get to have a support system also. So these are the additional benefits of this site. You can also check out the search icon where you get to see your favorite gadgets, or you also get to have all brand laptops out here, which offers you a great brand products out there. So you can check out the website. For best deals, do visit out the website. Link has been given in the description, or you can go on Google and type just at click.com. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.